What's going on? What is going on? We are still we're only 25 points off of all-time highs. So this should be interesting. I'm assuming we'll just chop around until we've got existing home sales at 10, and then the big one is FOMC minutes. I think, like I said, it's not as big as FOMC, but it's got FOMC in the name, so I think they'll move the markets then. We got to watch out at 10. I'm going to take it easy today. Try to take it easy every day. What's up, Chino? Let's see here. How'd you finish yesterday? I don't even think I looked at the charts the rest of the day yesterday, which is a good day. Trying to be disciplined with taking my couple shots in the morning, and I don't care what the market does after that. What is this move here at 7? What the hell? That was today. What is that? What happened at 7? Oh, there was a US MBA mortgage applications. Oh, nice. But weren't we joking about that yesterday about going back to bed? I guess you actually did. Good for you. Good for you. I had to work, so I had to get some stuff done. Got a couple different stories going on here. Nasdaq has been going down, and then that 7 o'clock news, whatever the hell that was, we pumped up, and now we're staying up here, just less than 20 points off of all-time highs. ES, on the other hand, trending down. It's 7 o'clock news, and we've already rated beneath it. Well, we're just gonna wait for it's the FOMC minutes, which is like them releasing statements or something about FOMC, the last FOMC. So it's not like the actual FOMC meeting, but it still should move the market. I don't think it's anywhere near what FOMC normally does. I just can't remember. It's been a while since I've paid attention to the afternoon session. but we need to be aware of it because we're usually extra choppy in the morning when we have something big going on later. But we do have something at 10, so I'm expecting it to just kind of chop around until 10. There's a slight chance I'll have to end the stream abruptly. I'm expecting somebody coming over, and I'm not sure when that is, but I have to meet with them. Assuming it will be later this afternoon, but I don't know. So we'll see what we can do while we're here. I would like for this market to come back down. If we go up here, we've got no price action to base our trades off of. Damn, we're going after all-time highs in the pre-market. I don't have any reads for today. We're just gonna see how it behaves when we if we get up to these two swings that are at the all-time highs, and then obviously we got this one down here. I just want two quick 15 tick trades off of a reaction somewhere. So we just need to be patient, wait for a good looking fair value gap that makes sense, not a big one like this. Well, I mean, it's not big, it's only 6 points, but I don't want to get in on, first of all, in the pre-market. Second of all, I don't want to get in on when there's two fair value gaps. Then you got to withstand both of them. I don't know. We got 5 minutes to market open, and then we'll see what they do today. Oh, here comes the light problems. My other ones are be here today. Hourly on ES, we came back into like an order block here, so see if this. I mean, it's definitely stalling here. See if it wants to go up. And I guess we're gonna just keep making new all-time highs. ES has 3 hourly equal highs at all-time highs. What about Nasdaq? Oh, I didn't mean to change the. NQ does not. Was back on 516 at open. Oh, these are the highs from. Oh, that's interesting. Those 3 highs on on ES right here, 1, 2, 3, are all even. That's these highs right here, 1, 2, 3. And we have like a 3 drive pattern. So if we don't make another high, it's probably gonna, I guess, roll over. I don't watch out for those, but Let's see what they do here. $824. That's ATH. There it is. Now, how far can we go? ES is still way down here. There's no way it's going to make it up there. Right? Damn, even the 30-second has wicks everywhere. We'll see what ES does when it takes out this little swing right here. Got that one, and then look at all these. Look at all that. What the hell? At like 4 a.m. we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars in a row. That's weird. I didn't even see this gap. There's a couple opportunities here. That one and then this one. I don't like it at open. All-time highs. News later. We'll just keep waiting. Okay. I don't know. I feel like there'll probably still be some volatility later, right? I mean, it doesn't matter because I'm not going to be trading at 2. Lido. What is it that we have at 10? I can't remember now. Existing home sales. Oh man, this is a rough open. You're damn right. I didn't even notice this little fair value gap here. We could have scalped a couple points off. We could have had 2. I wouldn't have taken 2, but we could have scalped a couple. I'm fine with missing it because that was created at open and I don't know, barely moving. Look at this. Look at this candle on ES. Not even a candle, it's just a line. There we go. Could take a take a short up in here if it comes back up. Well, we got a green candle. It's going up. We're just going down. A little hesitant today. There was plenty of points just offered off of that, but I wanted to risk a little less by waiting for it to come back up to like 07-ish, 06, 07. Damn. What did you see? Just that we took out the highs? Now ES is going to break this swing I had marked out. And it just did. Little concerned with this, but we'll see if we can just get a reaction back down. We came back up to 06. It's going to be one of those damn V's, isn't it? That's what I get for hesitating on this. That's what I get for hesitating on this first one. Should have just taken it, but I was a little nervous. Think so. I mean, yes, it has a ways to go to get to its highs. So if it's going after the highs, Nasdaq should just keep going for a while. I didn't take you out. I didn't talk you out of anything. Are you talking to Avila? Well, it wasn't taken out. Oh, saying that it's going after the highs. I said if it's going after the highs. Damn, we didn't come back into this. Why couldn't we come down in there? You like to click the buttons. Up, McLovin. Sue trades. They're good. It looks like we the main one I got right here is at 810. And I was watching the market. We created this gap up and then we came down and both these bodies stopped right here at 810. Yep, I hear you, Delta. That's why I tried to not. That's why I had to find something different, a different way to trade than to trade like that. The days that you second guess yourself, you take the opposite trade, and then if you just stuck with your plan, it would have worked. And then days that you stick to your plan, you're wrong about the market sentiment, and you're just wrong. Yeah, I expected it to be a little choppy today. Got news at 10 and at 2. I've had a couple opportunities. I took a losing trade because I hesitated on this. We had this gap right here. We came back up to it right on this one, but I wanted, of course, 1 or 2 more points. I wanted it to come up 1 or 2 more points. It went more than our take profit, but I waited, and then on the next test, that's when I got in, and obviously that did not work. Clearly didn't work. But that's what I get for hesitating on the... All right, these look... I think mine looks pretty identical to yours, McLovin. 750 and 810. That's about where mine are. I don't think we're going to be using the 750. Hey, at least you took something. It's crazy that ES is not at its all-time highs, and Nasdaq is making new all-time highs. Dow's up also, I guess. So does that mean the other two are going to fail, or like a long on ES would be best because that has more room to go to catch up? go get some more coffee while this is making new highs again. BRB. We get a retest of that. We're below 342. I want to see it come back down into this area. Come on. This is not good. What the hell? All right, I can't take any more trades. Those two trades, I'm too red on my accounts. I am way too red on these accounts. Oh, that's frustrating. That's what I was looking at too, McLovin. We had this unfilled gap down here, and then the point of control was at 810, so I was thinking we'd go down. Like, this could still work. Yeah, we are, Alito. I'm still above payout threshold. I could still get that payout that I put in for. No, it's not. So my balance has not been reflected. I'm going to turn that one off. God damn. That's so frustrating. Why did I hesitate on this one? I think the news probably drives us down. I think this little setup, the news will drive us back down. I'm not on my Apex funded. I'm just on my eval and Bulanox funded. You're long. Not good. I freaking like. I had a feeling I was not going to do good today. I just knew it. I don't know how many times I gotta go through days like this instead of just, you know what, not feeling it. Just skip the day. Who cares? Hell yeah. I can't. I just shouldn't trade when we're up at all-time highs like this. It's not even that. I hesitated on the trade I wanted to take. Why didn't I just take this one? I'm worried about one extra point. Yeah, I by the time I got filled on this, this spike up, I wanted it to be further. The candle that did come up further, by the time I got in, I was filled beneath that spike. I could have just got in on the first test. The first test is gonna be the best test, I think. Except back here, this was a fake out. Damn it. Good idea. Like I want to be able to just still perform fine no matter what, because markets are dynamic. I think it's messing with me that like my payout was still sitting there like not approved yet. So it's like I have this extra weight of you don't lose too much because you got to pay out that they still got to approve, which, and it's probably best practice to just not trade that account. But if I don't trade it, I'm not building up for the next one. Damn it, that account now is at 52.7, so I'm just barely over the threshold, so I can't touch that account anymore for sure until they adjust the number. Yeah, everything else is we're down. On the Jesus, we're down 909 on the evaluation, which puts us right at 50. So we're back to our starting for that. My Bulinox funded is now at 49.5. We were only up a few hundred on that because we just started it last week, and last week wasn't that good of a week. It was basically a break-even week. And my Apex PA is at 52.7 right now, which sucks. I wanted that to be at 52 when they take the money out. So it's going to be at 51.5. So I'll have 1,500 to play with, which I don't normally go that deep in the red. So we're just going to have to be careful with it. Maybe I'll start some 25k evals with it, since those have 1,500 to draw down as well, and just pretend like I'm passing a 25k. I'm gonna just trade my eval. So I want to pass that by next week anyways. By next Friday. Yeah, I'm looking at coming up to the midpoint of that wick right there. Go. You were right there. This couldn't happen. This just could not happen off of this right here, could it? Came back to this. Came back to 810. little late. It's a little late to wait for it to fail. Might be able to stretch these down. Maybe not. Like an actual video, if it's too big, you can't upload it. But if it's a link, you can do that. Typical. As soon as I click flatten, it's going to go straight to my take profit. You know it. Or I'm looking for 3 freaking points. Yeah, I swear it's look it. It's going to go down now. If you use something like a cloud backup, like I use Google Photos, so I let the videos upload to Google Photos and I can share a link and people can watch like that. I think Apple has the same type of thing. Yeah, I think this is just the nature of being up here at all-time highs. It's my opinion. Down below. This guy. I think you're green, right? So just take your money and get out of here. This thing's just gonna. We could just chop around over here until the FOMC stuff later. Later. Looking at, we came right up to this. Something to do with volume, right? Nice nodes, bro. We just cannot go 3 points, 3.75 points. Oh, oops. All right, I gotta take my losses and be done. I'm gonna just make this way worse than what it is. And there's no need for that. This is crap. And I'm making bad decisions because I'm in the red. So when that happens, gotta stop myself before it gets worse. Later, Chino. God damn, I hate having. This is where I've been. This is where I struggle with green and red days. I feel like it's so easy to have a larger red day than to have a larger green day. So on my green days, do I need to just go for more? Like, I've been stopping at 200. I need to probably aim for like 600 or 800 or something like that if I'm gonna take a freaking what did I take on my PA? At a $680 loss. I can't. That's the if I average $200 a day, I can't give up 3 days in one trading session. I mean, I can because I'm still profitable, but I can't. That's not going to work long term. It's working right now because we've had this account for like a month, but I can't do that long term. So $200 EMA. I can't put VWAP on here, McLovin. I can't do it. Look at that. Yeah, you know it's coming back down here, and I'm going to enter, and then it's just going to crash right through. I mean, some days they work, right? They just short this up here. We made new highs earlier by 2 points, so we'll risk like 10-ish. If this works, let me get 18 points out of that. CVD. Yeah, I think I've talked about this before. Back when I was doing good with my Top Step accounts in January, I stop when I get to like $200-ish. But there's some days where I have like 100% win rate, and I should just keep going. But on days where I have hesitations or a little bit extra anxiety, or the market, I'm expecting it to be really choppy, and then we see it is choppy, I should just walk away. I had all those things this morning. Yeah, we've been doing good with that. I think today I kept going because I felt like I missed a trade that I should have had. So I'm like, oh, well, I shouldn't have even had a red trade. I don't know. Yeah, I need to probably just keep going on those days. You're right. It's a constant learning process, and we'll get it. Of course, this couldn't happen on my Apex funded account. That would be too easy. We probably should have taken that at 810. That's a point of control at 810. ES swept those lows that it made right here. Let's see. Oh, maybe we're going to keep going. Oh, Jesus. Hopefully it fails right here. Let's get out. What a turn of events. you scale down to start and then scale up on green days until I have a loser. Yeah, for sure, John. Yeah, that's my problem with changing sizing and stuff. I know, right? We should have reversed. I could probably get both these accounts back in the green. We were just down like 1,000 on my eval, or here. The eval and the bull and ox funded both look like this. Down 1,000, and now we're down 267. risking these points. Damn, we should have just reversed. My thing is that we were down 1,000 and we're back to only -3. I'm not gonna allow it to go back to 1,000. If anything, we'll stop at like -6 or -5 or something like that. That would be worst case. We might turn this around. Let's see the performance. We are minus. I'm minus $9, so a break-even day. Minus 35 on the eval and minus 9 on the Bullinox funded. I'm gonna leave that there. Now the big question. Do we keep this up and see what we could do on the Apex funded? Do we push our luck? Here's where I'm at. If that falls beneath like the threshold to get the payout and they deny me, I'm fine with that. That we'll just skip that payment. It's not like I lose that money. They'll just stop me and we just build it up for the next one. That's okay. I'm fine with that. Yeah, I'm not going to take anything right here in the middle of this. We'll wait for us to either get a little higher. I mean, I could short this, aiming back for the 200. Or I'd probably aim for 810. And there it goes. By staying out of the middle. What's up, Evan? All right. Do we think it's going to fail this time? I don't like that it's coming back so soon. You know, look at these big gaps here. Yeah. I'm not even on my account. I'm just going to take that. I was just looking for this candle to get bought back up a little bit. I'll be right back. I got to go help my wife with something. Oh, we got this little ball setup going on ES again. Look at that. We also, McLovin, we also just keep coming back down to this freaking point of control. Could have bought any of those. You can light many candles on those. Yeah, Evan, I've already responded. I need something to do in between waiting for the market. I mean, if we do that. You're the one that, your comment on that video, I think it was you, right? That freaking, I was dying laughing at that. I want to short this. Oh, you thought. Was it? You're out of control with this notification. Oh, that's so tempting. This is the bait. You want to short it too, huh? Ideally, I think I would want to see break it and then come back in, and then we can short, trick everyone. It's probably gonna, it also work though. It's true, Delta. McLovin, have you been paying attention to that on Top Step X? Like, is it does it seem to be, if more people are wanting it to go short, do we typically go lower? For sure. We need someone to make a sacrifice. Alito, or if you're here, you go long. The rest of us will go short so we can make money. All right, let's see if this... why am I drawing a goddamn trend line? I don't trade trend lines. Oh, I might have to go. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta head out. Appreciate you guys. I'll be back. I might still trade this account later. We're down 558. I don't know, but I gotta head out. So we'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow. And if I take anything on this account, I'll let you guys know on Discord. But see you guys later.